there. But that was my chicks though, because you know she be sexy out here sometime. You know what I'm saying? And you know when you be having them bad ones over there, you know you might have a hair or something out there. But like I be telling them, look, nobody don't got these. Look. Y'all see it? Ugh. Get in there. You get in there. Hey, that Joe, look. That Joe, look. Hey, look. Them new ones, huh? Hey. What are you talking about? Hey, y'all want to see my little chick's joints? I don't never show her little joints, but I'm gonna show her little joints too. Look, hey. Look. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, her little joints too. But yeah, man. It's your boy, man, PK, man. Porsche Kev, man. Y'all remember to like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep coming with this content, but you know it's hot out here. Like I said, I just been making these videos. These people be behind my house all the time. Look, he's still out there. Look, it's like 11. Look, what is he doing out there? Tell the truth. Look, y'all tell me. You know, that's why I try to show you guys other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, besides just these fucking white boys that be fucking doing stupid shit behind my house, and then they wonder why we ain't fucking retaliated and whooped their ass or killed them like they be killing us. Let this nigga in the alley with his friends sitting down. Look, I don't be having time for that. Look at him. What is he bending down looking for? Look, ain't nothing over there. But that's why I said these bums, man, you know, and they don't do nothing to them. You know, and most bums are white. YouTube, y'all know that most bums are white. You know, even the white folks that's fucked up, they be fucking up the minorities. They don't give a fuck. Look, there's his friend. He finally stood up. Look, he finally stood up. Look, both of them. Got both of them. You see that? What the fuck are they doing tonight in the alley, though? Y'all tell me in the alley, though. But I got it. We gonna watch them. Look, we gonna see what they doing tonight. Yeah, white boy. Hey, white boy. Yeah. You the one that been around here fucking up my house. We got you, but they won't do nothing for you. They won't take you to jail for messing up my Porsche or none of that. They're fucking up my lawn, but they'll let you stay out here like a bum, though. Now that you got fired. YouTube, you see that? Fired his ass. Now he ain't got nowhere to go. Look, try to help him out, give him a job. You see that? But they don't care. Look at him. Why do you keep lifting up that thing? You know that's not nothing under there but them drugs that get you going. Like he had a stash or something up under there. Like, yeah, let me go ahead and grab another little boost. Look at him. Look at him. He ain't messing with nothing up there. Acting like he actually doing stuff. Look at him, like he over there peeing. You said they be looking at us, racial profiling and shit, suspect and all that, but look, man. Look, come on. Y'all stop playing. That's why I normally try to, you know, break this part up and show you guys like my house or something. You know, people that ain't seen me or know, you know, how I'm doing it. But yeah, look at this. That's why I gotta get me another property, because I can't deal with this. You know what I'm saying? The police is being called. They come out. They don't do their job. You know, they want to mess with me. Like, oh, yeah, sure, brother. Yeah, black guy. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? But they let the white people, they let them do all this. Look, you see that thing on the corner of the building right there? Watch my finger. See my finger? See that little tip of the thing up there right there? That little thing up there? That's the camera that I put up there to watch these guys. I had to get with the company. There's another one on the other side. See it right on the end right there? Those are cameras to watch these guys. So when they're doing wrong, which they have, I just get the lawyer on them. Like I said, he out here with his shirt off. You know what I'm saying? Why you got his shirt off? Look at him. I know I got my shirt off because I be hot. Everybody know me, be seeing these videos, I be training. You know what I'm saying? It's level 3 business out here. But that's what I'm saying. It's like 12 o'clock at night. They still out here. 12 o'clock at night. behind my house. You know. Look at that. What is he doing walking around? And you know what I'm saying? Talking about profiling. What if that's not suspicious? Come on. And then I done had my motherfucking porch vandalized by him. And then he out here still, you know what I'm saying? After getting fired, after getting the police. Look at him. How many times he gonna walk around? Y'all know people that walk around or whatever, they're paying. Nah, that's the drugs. Look, what is he doing? What is he saying? Look, I can't believe this shit. Yeah, bro. As soon as we gonna make that move, right? You know what I'm saying? He's like, hey, watch out, man. I'm 10. Don't look at my wang dang doodle, man. You're like, whatever, bro. I can't see anything anyway in the light. So, it's cool, bro. Look, but yeah. I'm finna, hold on. Look. How many times I walk around in a circle? Look, he walked over to be like, huh, bro? Huh? Look, he walking to the side peeing. You know what I'm saying? Look, how long has he been with his back turned to us? You know, like, what is he doing? YouTube, y'all tell me the truth. I know y'all see that. Don't lie. Look at him. What is he doing out there at 12 o'clock at night, though? Behind the house and alley. Look at him just now turn around. Look, hey, so what you think, dog? Well, I don't know. We can just stay here and mess with the nigger. I mean, the brother. You know him. We always get a ride out messing with the brother. You know that. You know how we do minorities. Yeah, we do. We do. We're gonna stay out here until we piss them off to want to fight. He said, you know the police is our gang. They do what we say. White folks stick together. And those brothers and those Asians and those Mexicans, those minorities, we're gonna get them out of here. If we gotta stay in the back of their house, we're gonna do it. We don't care. Well, let me put this backpack on so we can stand here. Ain't nothing like standing here with a backpack on. Look, stretch. Look at him. He been walking back and forth so many times. It's like, what kind of drugs are you on? Look at him. He put the backpack on to stand there. Now, who puts the backpack on to stand there, though? Look at this. You guys cannot tell me if you're just watching this that this don't look weird. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yeah, bro. I mean, I seen him last time. Yeah, I started to kick that black guy's ass. But then he started filming. So I didn't want him to catch me, man. You know, because we can't really catch them if they catch us. So when he turned the camera off, then I was like, oh, shit. He's liable to kick my ass now because there's nothing recorded. And I don't want to get my ass kicked out of here. At least I know he won't do anything on camera. Here, throw that, catch that. Did he? Where is it? He said, man, I just threw you the rock, man. You didn't catch the rock. It's down there somewhere. He said that was our last rock, man. I was telling you about the brother. I mean, the nigger. I mean, the brother. Yeah, the black guy. You know. Look, and I threw you the rock. Look, it's over here somewhere. Look. Let me see. Is the rock down here? I think it's down here. That was our last stone, man. Look. I think I got it. I'm not sure. You say you sure? Nah, I'm not sure. Look, I know I dropped that last stone over here, man. You threw it and it went over here. Here, you check that side. You check that side. I'll check this side. You know what? I'm just gonna chill out right here. I can't believe lost that last stone. Why'd you throw it, man? I know it's over here somewhere. Dude. Oh, it's hot. Take this hat off. This This is 12 o'clock at night in the alley. The one dude climbed the fence up there so far, like, imagine being asleep and you hear somebody at the fence, like he climbing over your gate to get to your house. But really, he done climbed the fence to get to the freaking trash in there. Look, he done hopped on a bike. Now look at him. Look, he's so bored he done hopped on a bike out here. Look. Y'all see this? YouTube, look, tonight. Look, he done left his homie, he's gone. Yeah, but YouTube, I know y'all see this. You know what I'm saying? That they be doing all that. Like, I don't be having time for that. Yeah, so I already know how it gets down. But yeah, we'll go ahead and lock it up, yo. We got the color changing light out there. Wait for it. Yeah, I know y'all see that. My neighbor and them, they still out there kicking it. See that big out there? Helicopter over there landed them. I know y'all see that little helicopter over there landing him on the Amazon packages, you know, dropping them packages all the place around the room. Packages, though. So in this gorilla bag right here, this pink gorilla bag, y'all see what that is? Look, that's PlayStation 1.